Did you ever wonder why two people can earn the same money, but one becomes rich and the other stays broke? What if I told you the difference is not luck, not intelligence, but something you do every single day without even noticing? And by the end of this video, you might realize you've been doing it wrong your whole life. Meet Alex. Alex works a normal job, makes around $1,000 per month, just like his friend Daniel. Same salary, same city, same opportunities. But 2 years later, Daniel is building wealth. Alex is still living paycheck to paycheck. So what happened? When Alex gets paid, he thinks, I deserve to enjoy my money. So he spends it. New phone, new clothes, eating out. But when Daniel gets paid, he thinks differently. How can I make this money work for me? Instead of spending, he invests, even if it's just a small amount. Same money, different mindset. Alex avoids risk. He says, what if I lose money? So he never tries. Daniel asks, what if this works? So he learns, tries, fails, and tries again. And slowly he starts winning. After work, Alex watches random videos for hours, scrolling, wasting time. But Daniel, he spends just 1 to 2 hours learning skills about money, business, online income. That small difference, every day, becomes a huge difference over time. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Being poor is expensive. You buy cheap things that break. You don't invest, so you stay stuck. You trade time for money forever, while the rich buy assets, invest early, and make money work for them. Now listen carefully. You don't need more money to start. You need a new mindset. Start thinking like Daniel. Don't ask, what can I buy? Ask, what can make me money? Don't avoid risk. Learn how to control it. Don't waste time. Invest it, because one day you'll either say, I wish I started earlier, or I'm glad I did. The choice is yours.